Just 5 African countries, less than 10% of Africa's 54 nations, are projected to hit the year-end target of fully vaccinating 40% of their people, unless efforts to accelerate the pace take off. This comes as the region grapples to meet rising demand for essential vaccination commodities, such as syringes. 3 African countries, Seychelles, Mauritius and Morocco, have already met the goal that was set in May by the World Health Organization, the world's highest health policy setting body. At the current pace, just 2 more countries, Tunisia and Cape Verde, will also hit the target.
As WHO, we're working tirelessly to support countries to hit the global target of fully vaccinating 10% of their populations. African countries must also zero in and drive forward precise plans to rapidly vaccinate the millions of vulnerable people that still face a grave threat.
Nigeria, according to the Executive Secretary of the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency, Dr. Faisal Shuaib, said Nigeria can only hit the target by the end of January 2022.
We're hopeful that before the end of January, we'll be able to reach up to 50% of the 112 million Nigerians that are targeted with the COVID-19 vaccines, because we really do need to climb out of this pandemic and all of its negative health and socio-economic impact.
One of the ways to hit key COVID-19 vaccination goal, where 40% of the people must have taken the vaccines, is happening here in Ogun State as the government commences its mass vaccination. It is targeting 2 million people before Christmas.
We look forward to actually concluding this 2 million within the next 6 weeks or maximum 60 days that has been given to us, so that as we come into the new year, we come into the new year with vitality. We're not having to fight a 4th wave.
Have you taken either the first jab or the 2 jabs of the COVID-19 vaccine? If you have, you must have this card as a mode of identification, and it will help you, as the Governor of Ogun State, Prince Dapo Abiodun, wants to help everyone to be safe with this 60-day ultimatum.
We are going to give a window to allow for this vaccine, and that window starts from today for the next 60 days. Anybody after 60 days that is not vaccinated will not be allowed in our offices, will not be allowed in our schools, will not be allowed to do business with us. We will check, do spot checks in our markets. You'll be required to carry your vaccine card with you at all times.
This is Lafenwa Market. No social distancing scene, no face mask, and the washing of hands has faded away. But definitely, the governor's ultimatum will put everyone back on their toes. The governor's office at Okimoson, where this directive might take full effect, and the workers are ahead of it, as so many of them have taken their vaccination.
Like you see me, I have my nose mask on at all times. I ensure constant hand washing, and I stay away from enclosed spaces that have more than 5 to 6 people in it. So I've tried to ensure that I follow the guidelines as stipulated in the prevention of COVID-19.
Vaccines save millions of lives each year. After vaccination, if the body is later exposed to those disease-causing germs, the body is immediately ready to destroy them, preventing illness. Bumi Adigun, OGTV News.